Truffle, Parmigiano Reggiano, Polenta. The pairing will be Nebbiolo. I like to preheat my pot a little bit, like 20-30 seconds before, making sure that when we're gonna start, there will be already a little bit of a temperature. Instant polenta, you can easily find in any grocery store. Perfetto. And then we're gonna stir quickly, just to make sure we get the temperature right. And we're going to add water. We want to absorb according to the volume of our polenta. And the ratio will be almost 2 parts of water and 1 part of a polenta. Now it's time for stirring, because we have to incorporate the water inside of our polenta. A little bit of white truffle salt from Urbani. Just a pinch. Extra pinch, because I love it. In order to keep our polenta very smooth, I will add a little bit of white truffle butter. Perfetto. A little bit. This is to keep our polenta very smooth. Perfetto. And at the end, the polenta will be ready. We will have a little round inside of the oven, just to make it a little crispy. Okay, we're almost there. And now the third part of the ingredient. Very simple recipe, as you can see. We can use the same spoon of the butter. Voila. A little bit of the consistency. We melt all together. And we are ready to turn off. The temperature is ready. So at this point, I'll add Parmigiano Reggiano DOP, 24 months. And I'll be very, very generous with that, because it's an important ingredient for our polenta. I like to shave it and have it really with an airy consistency. When I said a lot, I said a lot, and it will be a lot. It's a main ingredient of the preparation. And it's also a good time to repeat Parmigiano Reggiano. Okay, we are adding the last part. But we're going to use this little pot for the plating later. Okay. Benissimo. Ok, perfetto. The recipe of the truffle Parmigiano Reggiano Polenta, it's a very rustic recipe that matches very well with our Nebbiolo. Plate it, and there will be a couple of extra touches at the end. Look at the structure. I left a little bit of room because I like to add extra Parmigiano Reggiano at the end. Because the moment you start eating your polenta, you can balance how much of Parmigiano Reggiano do you want to have in any single bite. This is how I like it. So we're going to shave some of our beautiful white truffle on top. And the dish is ready. Polenta rustica with Parmigiano Reggiano 24 months and white truffle.